Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I'm the Nurse Flipper. If this is your first time here, this is a reseller's channel. I show some of what I find at garage sales, thrift stores, estate sales, auctions, and things like that. And I also show what's sold on eBay. And I do this so that you can expand your knowledge of what sells on eBay and increase your sales. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so up first is this Homer Laughlin plate. So these look really plain, but they are thick. They are restaurant wear. You can see they are marked Homer Laughlin, which is a pretty good brand. So I paid less than $2 for these, and 6 of them sold for $82.74 plus shipping. The buyer is $126.79 all in on those. And then up next is this vintage Liz Claiborne scarf. As you can see, it's very bright, and I'll show you guys the tag there. And it is 100% silk. So really pretty, colorful scarf. I am in the profit. I only paid $9 for 100 scarves, and I have already sold quite a few. So this one sold for $15 plus shipping. The buyer is $18.95 all in, and that's pretty much all profit after fees. So about $13. Simple to ship. Throw it in a poly bag, and that's it. And they're pretty simple to list too. So I am liking scarves here lately. And then next, this was actually the last of the Falstaff folk art bowls. We did have 5, and we only had 1 left. This buyer bought the one that was left. There is your stamp there. I paid less than $1 for this. It sold for $8.39 plus shipping. They are $18.96 all in. Up next is another scarf. This one is a really cool Halloween print scarf. This one is Echo, which is another great brand for scarves. And this one sold for $20.99 plus shipping. They are $27 all in. Again, paid pennies. So this will be about an $18 profit on this. I did not know what this thing was. So really crazy. So it's this little lion. It was in my brass lot. So I paid a few dollars per item, and I had to use Google Lens. So Google Lens is great to look stuff up. So this has this key that goes here, and it actually is like a padlock. I couldn't get it to work after I got it the first time. So hopefully the buyer knows how to use it. So lock and key. Paid a couple dollars for that in the brass lot, and it sold for $38 free shipping. So $38 for this little thing. Like, who would have known? And up next are some more paintbrushes. These have been moving out pretty decent. It's the Winsor & Newton ones again. Pennies in. And these sold for $8 plus shipping. The buyer's $13.74 all in on those. And then we sold another scarf. Super pretty. So with this one, I put floral Victorian paisley, so you guys know what I used. And then I put peach, and I put roses. You can see there are some roses there in the middle. So this is a bigger scarf. And again, I'm not measuring, but when I get more scarves, I am going to measure. This one sold for $23.99 plus shipping. The buyer is $30.99 all in, and this is over a $20 profit on the scarf. Last for today, and there will be more sales from tomorrow, sold another 100 pack of condoms. So these I am in the profit because I've sold several hundred already. This set sold for $23 free shipping. Not sure, I can't remember if they're under a pound or not, but if they're over, they will go priority, but that will all be profit. And then there was actually one more. So this is the last set I have of these paintbrushes, which these are, these are Winsor & Newton as well. So they're the same kind as the last ones, but these are bigger, thicker ones. So these three sold for $26 plus shipping. The buyer's $33.54 all in. And a lot of these things that sold are selling for me sending offers. So if you're not sending the offer to buyers yet, you need to do that. So we will take a look at more what sold now. Hey guys, so I am going to go through some more sales. Today is Wednesday. It is before I am getting ready for work. We have $126.22 going out. So it's a little bit slower than our normal, but it's also 5 in the morning. So here is the first item. This is a Shred Alert. It is embroidered. Really nice hat. It's got the cute little pom-pom. So this one's kind of funny. I woke up and they sent an offer for $25, which I would have accepted, and then less than a minute later paid full price, which was $29.99 free shipping. So buyer is $29.99 all in on that. Next is a Santa Maria shirt. So this one is cool. It says feed the fish while you dine. This one is a vintage. It's on a Gildan tag, size XL. And this one I have less than $4 in, and it sold for $14.99 free shipping. I'll make about a $5 profit on that. And then next is this crazy dashboard kit. I got this from alot off of Shop Goodwill a while ago. Made my money back really fast because there was one item that paid for everything. So this one sold for $11.99 free ship. It'll go probably in a poly bag under a pound, and I'll probably make about $6 on that. And then up next is another one of the vintage shirts. This one is Traders Sports Entertainment Pub. This is an extra large from New Smyrna Beach, another vintage. I paid $4. This one only sold for $9.50, but I'm in the lot with the t-shirts, so this is pretty much going to be all profit. Are these two vintage placemats? These are really cool. I like the flip side of these. So I put for these quilted vintage oval floral striped fall reversible, and I have less than $1 in. These are in the linen closet. These sold for $11.99 plus shipping. The buyer's $22.52 all in. So that'll be about a $10 profit on these two. So I have started looking at vintage placemats just like I did scarves because I learned. And then up next is this ring. It's a costume ring. It is missing a stone, you can see there. And I paid less than 50 cents. It sold for $7.75 plus shipping. The buyer is $12.27 all in. And then last we sold a set of 5 CVS nasal mists. So that's going to be all for today, and I will add some more sales onto this. Hello. I am back with some sales for you guys. Today is Friday. We have 16 items going out for $441.13. Nothing super impressive by itself, but all this little stuff adds up. So first up, I will show you guys. This is an Elizabeth and Clark. It's a blazer, size 4. So in the QVC palette I got last year, there was a ton of stuff that wasn't manifested. It was just like one individual item of everything. And this is one of the items. So I'm starting to try and list that stuff. It's been thrown in a pile for almost a year now. So trying to work through that stuff. This one sold for $23.99 free shipping. And if it's over a pound, we will put it in a padded, a flat rate envelope. We don't have to use a padded, but we just tend to go with that. And then up next, this is an Oscar de la Renta, which is a good brand, especially if it is vintage. Trying to find where you guys can see. Somewhere, there it is. It says Oscar de la Renta. So this has got seashells. I couldn't find anything like this. I priced super high, priced at $60, and somebody sent me an offer of $29 plus shipping, and I accepted. So it's been listed for a few months, and I figured $30 off of $1 is not a bad deal. So they are $33 all in on that. Up next, and I've had these a while and I'm not sure why they're selling all of a sudden. Maybe hunting season is coming up. So these are Cool Blue field wipes, and this person got one pack for $4.85 plus shipping. They're $9.85 all in on those. And then we have a pennant. This one's kind of beat up here, so this will fold. Seattle Seahawks. So the sports stuff again is starting to sell. I have less than $1 in. I just got some more pennants and that I listed. They're not sports though. They're more like vintage touristy type things. So paid about $1 for this. It sold for $12.14 plus shipping. The buyer is $19.43 all in. And next, somebody bought 2 packs of the field wipes for $9.70 plus shipping. They are $15.68 all in on those. And then I sold 2 of these. These are bio bamboo. I'll show you guys the marker there. BBF is bio bamboo fiber. They are 8-inch palm trees. It's a set of 2. This buyer kept messaging me, telling me they wanted 4, make them a deal. And I'm like, I only have 2 of these. I can't make a deal on 4. I only have 2. So they purchased them at $16.79 plus shipping. They are $25.04 all in on the 2 bamboo plates. I bought these and I thought they comped okay. And then when I got them home, I was like, what the heck was I doing? Yeah, so I'm glad they sold. I actually sent out offers to somebody who watched them. I haven't had like anybody watching these in close to a year. So these are Skylanders figures. I am not great with toys, guys. So I kind of lotted these up into lots of 6 and 5. I tried to put them in by kind of like genre or type. So this person bought 4 sets for $5 each, $20. I had them at like $5.99. I sent an offer of 5. They are $41.52 all in. They might go into a padded envelope. I'm not sure. I might try that. And then up next, I sold a lot of 4 of these ceramic belts. These are P36. I got these from Pepper, super cheap, and they sold for $20.39 free shipping. I think they'll be under £1 and probably their scarf. This is a really cool scarf. This has got the butterflies. This is Talbot's. So with these scarves, and this one is 100% silk. So with the scarf, really pretty scarf. Name brand can help you sell it, but I think more the genre and kind of what's going on in the scarf helps and how you describe it. So this one I put vintage Talbot scarf, butterfly nature, and then I put yellow, orange, and green. So you want to get as many colors as you can, because if somebody's searching for like a solid blue or green scarf and then they see this cool butterfly scarf, they might buy it. So I sent an offer out on that one for $23. They accepted. They were $28.20, and I paid 9 cents for that scarf. So that is a great $20 profit on that. 2 sets of CVS nasal mist for $23.99 each. Shipping will be $7.50. That is all profit. So about $13 profit on each of those. And then up next is a pair of Jamie Satic shorts. These are like really hot pink. And there's a Jamie Satic. They are size 6. And these sold less than a month. This is from the golf lot. They sold for $40 plus shipping. The buyer's $47.43 all in. So Jamie Satic is definitely a brand to watch out for if you see women's golf clothes. And then we sold a lot of CVS nasal mist, a case full for $59.99. Shipping's about $11 to $12 via pirate ship, and the buyer paid $59.99. Again, all profit on that CVS nasal mist for a while now. I didn't pick this up very long ago. I think less than 2 months ago. This is James Earl Jones Reads the Bible, 1 to 4 compact discs. So I paid, I think, $3.99 for this at the thrift store, and it sold for $23.99 plus shipping. The buyer's $27.32 all in, so not too bad on that one. So Bibles, actual books, and Bibles that are on cassette or CD will sell pretty well. The first set of cards to sell, these are vintage Mexico playing cards. I think I got like 30 of these for $7, so less than 50 cents, and they sold for $5 plus shipping. The buyer is $9.69. All on those. And then next, this is my last one. This is a Care Bear, new in the box. It is from 2003, so it is not vintage. It is getting close to being vintage. It does have a VHS tape with it. And a long time ago, over a year ago, I bought I think 12 Care Bears for $100, so a little less than 10. And this is the last one. Some of them sold for $50, but this one sold for $14.99 plus shipping. The buyer is $24.89 all in. And that is actually the end of everything that is going out today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I want to show you real quick. So I got some stuff in that I bought off Hybid. I had it shipped. This is like the cutest little mid-century modern. So it's crazy. If you look up Tomy dollhouse furniture, I have this whole set. I can show you guys the little table. So it's all marked. So you would be able to look it up pretty easy. You can see the Tomy there. This set, the whole kitchen set, I just dropped all the drawers. The kitchen set sold for like $99 before. I priced this at like 80. I had a few less accessories than they did, and I got two of these plus a whole bunch more dollhouse furniture for $45 off Hybid. So watch out for Tomy, and hopefully you guys will see some dollhouse stuff selling soon. I will see you guys in a video on Sunday. Not sure what I will do. And don't forget to set your reminders for Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Every Tuesday, I'm live with Bearded Thrift Julian, and we just chat, hang out, and talk about eBay and selling. So we look forward to seeing you guys